Today's a bit of a different one. What I've done, or what we're doing, is going down to get some cuts out of an S13 shell. So need a few bits for repairing previous repairs or damage that just isn't going to work with what we're doing with the shell now. So leaving bits that have been sledgehammered and what have you from previous to make clearance for wheels and other things just isn't going to fly. So Nick and I are going to get these cuts this morning, and yeah, we'll be back later. You'll see those pieces as we do the work. No point, it's just going to be a couple of chunks of S13 shell, and then get back and then carry on with doing some prep on the underside. So see how we get on and see how much we can get done today. Right, I'm finishing up for today. Done a load of the cleaning off of the underside again, back to bare metal, so I will just show you how far I've got, but I'm hungry and want dinner, so let me just show you. Also the chassis leg. Done as much as I can at the moment with it this way up, then flip it the other way and it's just easier to get with the tools. So got down to here so far, but it takes hours. Got to do everywhere. Not a quick job, any of this, but when it's unearthing things like that, and also that, it's definitely worth doing. So until next time, next weekend, when it'll probably be doing more of that. See you again. Okay, so Sunday today, going to carry on, so more cleaning and stripping of paint and working down the rust and everything else. So flip the car back over again, going to start on this side. As you can see from flipping it, I've got everything I can see from this side down to do, chassis legs, all the rest of it. So yeah, just more of the same, so carry on again. Right, so more done. Just show you along the bottom side of the car. You can see more shiny metal. So I'm calling that for today. Go home and do other life things ready for work next week, and then back up next weekend where we'll probably be chopping up the cut that we brought back, and yeah, carrying on with that again. But can't do much until it's done. Anyway, till next time.